It's been a dead day for railfanning. Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It is Mr. Canada National, and I tell you, it has been a dead day for railfanning today. Where I live at, railfanning, it's been dead. I cannot believe it. I got down here this morning about a little after 10:30, almost 11, and I'd seen an eastbound that came through. Well, then after that, a westbound came through. Well, then after that, we had Amtrak that came through. Well, then after that, a local train came through. And since then, it's been dead. Yeah, it's been dead for both directions. I cannot believe that. I have never seen it so dead in my life where I live at. I'm here in Michigan, if any of you want to know. Yeah, I'm in Michigan, and I guess I've never ever seen it this dead in my life. It's incredible. It really is. It's incredible. What about where you live at? Is it the same? Let me know in the comment box if it's been the same where you're at. But I know here where I live at, it's been dead. I mean, these lights have been red since the last train that ran through, and that was the local train. It's really incredible, people. It's really incredible. And where I live at, we get Canada National, CN. Like, where is their trains at today? Don't they run? I know some of them, they sit there by the yard and stuff and wait for crew changes. I know I've seen that happen. But where's the trains from Chicago? It's been dead. It really has. And you know, I wished I had me a special app, I wish I had where I can see when a train is coming. But I don't. Maybe somebody can tell me, how can I get something that I can see or watch if a train is coming on my phone? What do I have to do? Because I've been this is crazy, people. This is really crazy. I come down here and I enjoy putting up train videos for you guys to enjoy and watch and all this and that, but it's sad when I can't give you any trains. And I did get one for today, or two of them for today, but you know, I want some more, man. I want to build my channel up. You know, one bad thing about where I live at, we only got one competitor, and that's a CN. Long time ago, back in my heydays, people, we had two sets. Well, we do got another set of railroad tracks, but under that bridge, they curve off, and it's just one single line and stuff. And that's the Michigan line. Now, a long time ago, we used to have Conrail in our town, and it used to be active in our town with Conrail and a Grand Trunk. But, and things just ain't what it used to be, I guess. And with this factory being shut down, that doesn't help. Because right there they used to put cars for that factory. And further down, there's a paper mill over there, down there. That's a paper mill. They used to have things over there, but they don't anymore. Not in our town. Now, the only one that does our town is NS. I know CN now, they send out some locals, but I don't know where they go. But they don't do our town anymore. The only one that does our town is NS. But they don't start running till nighttime. That's the problem, NS. But yeah, it's been dead for this railfanning person. Crazy. Crazy. But hey, I want to explain something. I know that I got somebody out there that hasn't been enjoying my content, hasn't been enjoying my train videos, and I know you've been coming here giving me dislikes and that, but let me explain something to you. Whoever you are, why don't you chill, man? My channel's never going to grow. It's not going to get big. I don't know why you're worried about it. You know, if you don't enjoy my content, why watch it? You know, my train videos are not bothering you one bit. You know, I enjoy putting up train videos for people that enjoy train videos. And, you know, if you don't enjoy it, don't watch it. All I'm saying, don't watch it. You know, don't worry about my channel. This channel will never grow. It's not going to be big like my other channels I have. So please, take a chill on giving me dislikes on my train videos. My God. You know, if my train videos are really bothering you that bad and you want a dislike, well, I think maybe you need to go get some mental help. And go see a doctor. You know, I'm a good person. I'm a likable person. People enjoy me. And that's what counts. But, you know, whoever you are, you're just showing that you're a lonely life. You don't have anything better to do but dislike my train channel. You know, if you don't enjoy my train videos, then don't watch them. Nobody's telling you have to. But I do these because this is my passion. This is my love. I love putting things out here on YouTube, and I enjoy having people watch my videos, and that's what counts. But like I said, my channel's never going to grow. It will never get big. It will never be where I want it to be. I'm happy what I have, and that's what counts. So please, whoever you are, just chill. Move on, go watch something better. Or explain to me, what do you have against my train videos? Or my channels, because I know you probably go and do my other channels as well. No, just sad, you know, if my trains are bothering you, like I always say, go find something better to watch. But yeah, it's been a dead day for railfanning, I tell you that much. Hopefully it will be better. when the next time I come down here. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this video here. I know I enjoyed putting up train videos, but it's sad when, you know, you just don't get very much trains. And you just sit here and sit here and sit here and wonder, God, where are they? Where are they hiding at? But let me know if you've ever had any trouble with getting train videos. And how is it in your neck of the woods? Is it the same or what? Let me know. And let me know about how can I get a tracker to watch trains. I would like that to know as well. And help me out if you can. I would appreciate that. But people, until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this video's over. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. If you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos I got? Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Also, leave comments. You know, help me out. You know, how can I get a tracker to track when a train is coming? You know, let me know how I can do that. Because I would like to be able to know when a train's coming. That way I can hop in my vehicle and get down here. But being down here all day is just wasting my time. But if any of you know how I could get a tracker to know when a train is coming, leave a comment. But until next time, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this video's over. Have a good one. Take care. Thanks for watching. And happy Easter to all of you.